We're back in the sun. This is Penne Camping Cabilis. We're in Valley-Dannydod, and you know where that is. So all I'm going to use today is a bit of meat, very nice. We're going to cook it in some virgin olive oil. We've run out of chances, and we're going to get some more. Basically, a tin of tomatoes, a nice pepper, some Gino di Campio tomato paste, some amazing mushrooms. I found these earlier, fantastic. I love mushrooms. Some fantastic spring onions and some celery, and not forgetting a bit of red wine. And I'll show you the result later because I'm going to get on with it. You thought I forgot. Salt and pepper, obviously, and the other ingredient, the garlic. Well, it is Halloween, so it's got to keep away the witches and bad things. I don't know. Anyway, my French neighbour's looking at me completely gone out. Sally Ann wasn't impressed with my pudding yesterday, a whole bag of Maltesers, so she's gone out and bought me something special. Now, I haven't got the foggiest idea what's in this, but it was from Burgos, and it is, oh my god, they're like little profiteroles. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, they weigh a ton. All I need is some Nutella.